So, let us revise what we have studied today. First is point. What is meant by point? Point means a simply tiny dot made on a plain sheet of paper. म्हणजेच पॉइंट हा फक्त एक डॉट असतो, म्हणजेच आपण मराठीत म्हणू टिंब. Now second is line segment. So what is line segment? Line segment is nothing but the 2 points joined by a scale or ruler. Line segment हे कशी वाचतात? सेगमेंट AB किंवा सेगमेंट BA. If we extend line segment in both direction, that is called as line. जेव्हा आपण लाईन सेगमेंट दोन्ही डायरेक्शनला वाढवतो त्याला म्हणतात लाईन. आणि ही कशी रीड करतात? लाईन L किंवा लाईन PQ किंवा लाईन QP. Now fourth point is ray. What is ray? Ray is a part of line. And what is speciality of line? What is speciality of ray? That ray has arrow on only one side. Point P is called as origin of this arrow. Concurrent lines. What is concurrent lines? 3 or more lines passing through the same point. That lines are called as concurrent lines, and that point is called as point of concurrence. Now sixth point is collinear points. 3 or more points lying on the same line. It may be 4, 5 but more than 3 line. 3 किंवा जास्त पॉइंट एका लाईनवर असतात तेव्हा त्या पॉइंट्सला म्हणतात कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. आता या फिगरमध्ये बघा पॉइंट A, B, पॉइंट C, पॉइंट D हे 4 पॉइंट एकाच लाईन L वर आहेत, म्हणून त्या पॉइंट्सला म्हणतात कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. नाउ सेवंथ इज नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट. व्हॉट इज नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट? द पॉइंट which are not lie on the same line. Now see in this figure, point B and point C. These are not lie on the line L. So these are called as non-collinear point. Above the line or maybe below the line. Now what is plane? 8th point is plane. Plane is the flat surface which can extend in all directions, called as plane. In this figure, this plane H, it can be extended in all 4 directions. So last point is parallel lines. So what is meant by parallel lines? The parallel lines are the lines which never intersect each other. Now see in this figure, these 2 lines, line M and line L, these 2 are parallel lines. How they are parallel? If we extend these lines further in both direction, they will never intersect each other. That's why these 2 lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines are indicated by this symbol. This is the symbol of parallel. And how it is read? Line L parallel to line M. See in this figure, line L parallel to line M.